Hello friends, welcome back. In this new video, I am going to talk about a very controversial topic. It's quite an urban legend in the crypto industry. Let's explore more about Flash USDT. Flash USDT are temporary crypto that mirrors genuine USDT, are spendable, and auto-vanishes after a set time frame, mostly up to 90 days. In this video, we will try creating Flash USDT using a smart contract. There are a lot of people on YouTube, Reddit, Telegram, where you can find them selling softwares to generate Flash USDT. I have tried quite a few of them, and to my surprise, I lost my money every time. I was sure that there must be a way to generate Flash USDT, as I have read a lot about them. I tried using the smart contract method this time, and it did work. I will demonstrate in this video how I was able to generate around 75,000 Flash USDT with just $250. I will share a smart contract in this video. I will use this one to generate Flash USDT. Smart contracts are externally verifiable. The code is open source and there is nothing to hide like those malicious softwares. I have myself audited this one through a third party before using it. If you guys want to check it, I will provide the link in the description. Again, I am not telling anyone to use it. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose. Flash USDT is not a legal tender like USDT. It just stays on the blockchain for 90 days and mimics USDT. It is not legal to use it for any malicious activities, and if anyone does something like that, he or she may face legal consequences. This is the website where I'm going to deploy our smart contract. It's called tronide.io. Make sure you are using the correct URL. Create a new file and name it Flash USDT and press enter. Copy the file from the link and paste it here to create the smart contract. Make sure you are copying from the correct link. Now compile the file. A compiler converts the file into machine-readable form. Use compiler 5.10 and check the auto-compile and enable optimization boxes and compile the file. If everything is okay, you will see a green tick mark. Now it's time to deploy the smart contract on the Tron blockchain. We are creating TRC20 Flash USDT as it is the most demanded. Log in to your TronLink wallet in your browser and make sure you have enough TRX to cover all your expenses. Connect your wallet to the Tron IDE platform. Your wallet will be used to deploy the smart contract on the Tron mainnet. Select the contract name Tron, Flash USDT bot. In the token name, put Tether USD, and in the token address, copy-paste the USDT contract address. You can look up for the USDT token address for Tron online, or I will attach the details in the description. Click on Transact and sign the transaction. This transaction will cost us around $16. Your contract will deploy on-chain in a few seconds if transaction is successful. You can see the deployed contract under the deployed contract section. You can see all the functions here. Also, I will check whether the USDT contract address is correct in the deployed contract. It's always good to cross-verify. Now we need to top up the contract. This top-up balance is needed to call the smart contract functions. I will top up with 750 TRX. This is the minimum needed for creating Flash USDT. This will create 75,000 USDT. You can also top up with 1,000 TRX or so on. For 1,000 TRX, you will get around 100,000 Flash USDT. Our contract now has 750 TRX. We will call the Generate Flash USDT function. This function will generate the Flash USDT in the blockchain. Now we will call the withdrawal function. This will transfer the 75,000 Flash USDT generated to our wallet address. Let's check the wallet again. We should have 75,000 USDT in our wallet. And yeah, 75,000 Flash USDT is successfully withdrawn into our wallet. Again, this video is just for entertainment purpose and no one should use it for any malicious activities. Thank you and see you in the next video.